And I want to be recorded very well. I want to be recorded. My Lord, Justice Chike retired and administrator of the Justice Medley Judicial Institute, and my younger brother, I didn't call who. So all of you who are watching to know who, that is their business. But the person knows themselves. Today we are gathered here as Rivers people. Today we are gathered here as friends of Rivers people, because something good has happened to us. We are gathered here as people who believe in the same political family. Today, I want to say clearly, Boma Yaye and Tino Kachan, they know how water entered melon. For those of you who do not know, you will ask them what happened. What happened? It was not an easy battle. So I want to appreciate and thank Mr. President for giving us the opportunity to serve as the Executive Director of Finance Administration and to also have our own state representative. Even when they got to the Senate level, it was opposed that Rivers should not have the Executive Director of Finance and Admin. But I want to thank Mr. President of Senate and his team for standing by us and clearing them to today be part of management of the NDDC. Yes, Rivers State has had it before, privately, but our own nobody has come from our own political team that has been there. And that's why when we are fighting, most of us do not understand that we all cannot be elected persons. So there are some people that will be elected and some people that will be appointed. But you can be appointed if you have a friendly government, right? Yes. If Atiku had won, you will not be here.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
If Tinubu had won, you will not be here. Some of you who made us who are you, it's your business. And that is why what we are talking about is the interest of our state. What will our state benefit? What will our political team benefit? It took most of us sleepless nights. What I'm saying so, I'm saying it to their hearing now. You are not here days as a young man. When the fight was on to put you there, there was no German that came. I want to say clearly, if I had wanted as a good man, I would have done it. But I know you are somebody who has been committed. Since 2015, when I started running for election, you have never wavered. And so, for me, it is not where you come from. It is who you are. I just want to say, thank God you're on camera. I'm on camera, I'm saying it. I don't want to feel like he hates me or not. Because what I'm saying this time in the state, I've never seen it before. Remember that we even have to go for lobbying to amend the law. And the law was amended within 24 hours. Within 24 hours. To make sure Rivers State benefited from it. You were there. So, people should, when things are going wrong, ask questions. Don't say, oh, because I'm from here. If we do so, most of us will not benefit. Or reappointment. It doesn't come that way. It doesn't come that way. The nominee for Rivers State, Bayelsa, and Delta State for Federal Civil Service Commission for Rivers State is a German. I nominated him. I just want to say it, and some of you are looking at me, I'm looking at all of you. Go and tell your people to stop dividing Rivers State. It will not work like that. It will not work like that. The MD is an Ijaw man. I supported him. So, when people are in position of authority, don't stop doing this ethnic sentiment. It will not work. Continue to relate with people. It is an advantage. Continue to be guided by your people at home. Don't allow outsiders to take over you. See how I have the city with you now. Make sure sometimes they call her, ask her, what do you think I should do? But then the public don't know that she's the one giving you the... Because when the public know, they're going to rush to your wife instead of rushing to you. So quietly, let her advise. But let her not come and show it to the public. I'm the one controlling him. Control him at home where it's your right. But when you come into public, go back. So that things will not spoil. And that's what I've advised so many people. Be careful. Today is my greatest day. I've been maybe unhappy for some days, but today I'm very, very... I have told you, whatever they are struggling in NDC, struggle for River State. Don't struggle for your own pocket alone. You will mean well. When so many of them here say, Oga Buma help me, Oga Tony help me, but I will feel bad. When I get report, Oga cannot see Buma again. Oga cannot see Tony again. It's a very bad thing. So it's not for politician. Because at the end of the day, you are blocking other people's chances, and that's not what we expect from you. I know two of you are people who are sociable. You cannot learn left hand at old age. I have that confidence. And we too, we shall allow them to at least settle down. Settle down. I know, yes, you are chairman of the Council of Chiefs. I don't know where you still combine it under the EDF, and the capital. I know they are here. Leave him to settle first before you carry all their problems. I cannot solve our problem. It's just ED finance and the administration. Pay. That's what he's doing. Pay. Tony is out to make sure projects, he will say which one for River State, which projects, which one for River State. That's the most important thing. You will feel happy when you leave that you have used your position to help your state. And to also warn you, NDC has a bad name. Naturally. In fact, if you ask Mr. President, he was not in a hurry. Because the trillions have come to our region, we cannot show for it. Let us not begin to say every time, outsiders. Which outsiders? I'm here as a city says, let the outsider come and control me now. It's when you make yourself available. If you're giving people jobs, make sure the jobs are done. Make sure the jobs are done for the benefit of our people. Nobody says you should not make money. You eat where you work. Why do you eat when there's no work? So please change that narrative. If we should do projects that will have impact in the region, you must do projects that have impact. Stop this project of 1 kilometer. Stop this project leading to my estate. near to my family house. Stop it. It has no impact. Do regional projects. Projects that will lead you from here to Delta, Delta to Edo. Like that. From rivers to Akwa Ibom, Akwa Ibom to Coastal. That's regional project. Stop this. Oh, I'm building police station for people. It's kind of system. You go to your state and building this classroom block. Is it what the state told you to do? If you want to do something for the state, come to the state, ask the state, what do you want us to do? As it were now, I have told you, for make sure the ring road is being carried by River State from general section. If you take from Borokiri, join it to Eleme, then the entire ring road is completed. So if they are doing project for River State, tell them this is what you want. Let them not just come and go to where you have a house. This is Akasa. And put the, what do you call this light? Solar. And then come and tell me, we put solar lights. Solar light is not a problem. Take it and go. Do projects that our people will say, yes, we are happy. If you do, if you connect that Port Harcourt, Borokiri, down to Okrika, down to Elime, which was where we started the road. Then the entire state is it will not cost you, even if it will cost you 50 billion. With the money people have, 9 states, take for example, 9 states. If you spend 50 billion, in 9 states, how much is it for 50 billion? What is 450 billion for MDs? If you are telling me to take it easy. Because it pains us. It pains us. Such a commission, we cannot be boastful of what very, very capital project we can boast of. Everywhere, littered, abandoned. I won't go for abandoned projects. Be careful, don't be intimidated by politicians. I know they put you there, but tell them to look. You can also chop if you do this big project. We should not be cursed. Let us not say we are cursed. God did not curse us. God has blessed us. Let us not curse our. So I want people to work together and also consult with the governors of the Niger Delta State. They are the members of the governing board. Even though we didn't have that opportunity to be consulted because they say we are in different party. But that is not the way it's supposed to be. So I thank you. I congratulate the two of you with your spouses. Please also know that having a steady home will help you to do your job. Having a steady home would have you to do your try as much as you can to make as much. So that both eyes will not be on you. This position you have found nice and attractive position. Over here. It's an attractive position. It's not like me as 60 minutes. It's an attractive position. Unfortunately, I've not been available. So it's very tempting. You don't know where you are. It's very, very tempting. The position, particularly you, the position occupied is very, very tempting. People will think you have bank. There's a director of finance and what? If he does not have his account now, he has not less than 50 billion. They are the one giving you the money now. So just to tell you what it is. But it is not available at all. 50 billion is not a small the way people call it. Yes, you will be getting some 50 billion or 100 billion. But you can also use it to help people. If you can't help when you have 50 million, you cannot help when you have 50 billion. You must have the mind to help. So, my brothers and sisters, I want to sincerely thank you. And I know by God's grace we will succeed.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, and God bless.
Members of the National Assembly here present, Felix Wike, others. My very, very primary constituency, the Rivers State House of Assembly, where I started my politics from. Members of our party that are here, members of APC that are here, my family members, all our friends and brothers, my chiefs, especially the chiefs from Okubolo. Yeah, okay, no. Uh-huh. I want to say very good afternoon to all of us here. Your Excellency, we have all listened to your charge. But let me start from the fact that there is no Boma Yaye without a Wike.